In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix something went wrong while generating response in ChatGPT. So if you've been trying to generate any response from ChatGPT, but each and every time you get the same feedback, something went wrong, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. All right, in the first method to clear this problem, you need to go ahead and reload your ChatGPT. So if you are on any of the charts, just go ahead and reload your chart. You can reload your chart straight from here by clicking on try again, or you can reload the whole page or app by clicking on reload here. However, if this does not solve the problem, then head to the next method, and that is just log out of your ChatGPT account and then log in afresh and go to your chart to see if this problem has been solved. Should this not solve your problem, then go to a new chart and then go ahead and try generating the same response, and this should now fix your problem. However, if you're still experiencing any challenge, then you may want to go ahead and just check your internet connection and make sure it is on, and also make sure that any VPN is off. So once you have checked, go ahead and try to generate a response, and this should work. But should this not work, then you need to go ahead and change some settings and perform some fixes on settings. To go to settings, head over to your account here and then click on settings. Now under settings, the first thing we need to do is to go to data control, and under data control, go ahead and delete all charts by clicking on delete all here. Then go ahead and generate your charts, and this should work. But should you still find a problem with this, then you need to go ahead and fix the memory or clear any memory on your ChatGPT. To clear your ChatGPT memory on your computer, go ahead and again go to settings from here. So click on this and then choose settings, and then go to personalization here, and under personalizations, scroll down until you see memory. Click on manage and then click on these three dots here, and you can see you can now fix this problem by clearing all the memory by just clicking on delete all memories, and here check the box also delete all past version of saved memories. However, you have to note that this cannot be undone. Then proceed and click on delete all, and this will clear all the memory on your ChatGPT. So by following or using any of this, now you should be able to generate charts on ChatGPT without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.